Hello, friend. Many times the parents come and ask me how they can support their child while doing better to become successful. Actually, parents play a very major role in shaping the child success by providing a stress-free environment, and they also can support emotionally, socially, and mentally. That gives strength to the child, and further he try to do better. So in this video I am going to cover many of important points, so please watch till last, and if you feel better at last, please like, subscribe, and comment so that others also can get benefit about good parenting. Now, in good parenting, first point I would just say that the parent should be emotionally attached. He must not be keeping lonely to his child or a separate space. They must be close. That is a safety, emotional safety. A child should feel secure, and they must discuss about the study, about the future, whatever the age permit, that way they should go on. Second point I will say, they should be having the balanced expectation, ambitions. Many of the parents, they just want to have a big ambition, and finally what happens, the children gets overloaded with the overburden of ambitions. So that should be limited. It should be well understood. ये बिल्कुल समझ में होने चाहिए कि संतुलित अपेक्षा ही हमें जीवन को जो है सुख दे सकती है और आगे हम बढ़ सकते हैं। तो इसमें बिल्कुल संतुलन होना चाहिए। जो प्रैक्टिकल चीज़ें हैं उसके बारे में डिस्कशन होने चाहिए। और तीसरा पॉइंट ये है स्वस्थ दिनचर्या, मतलब इट शुड बी हेल्दी रूटीन। हाउ हेल्दी? ए गुड स्लीप, गुड फूड, न्यूट्रिशंस, and a timetable, and see that the child does not watch more of the screen. एक healthy routine होना चाहिए जिसमें कि आप समझिए कि child should be involved in some of the physical exercise, apart from that some meditation, deep breathing. ये छोटी छोटी चीज़ें जो है बच्चे के मानसिक रूप को, मानसिकता को बहुत मजबूत कर देंगी। और तीसरी चीज़ ये है, चौथी चीज इसमें कि हम ये बोले कि सकारात्मक प्रोत्साहन, मतलब पॉजिटिव हमें उसको बताना है। जो भी रीइंफोर्समेंट, पॉजिटिव रीइंफोर्समेंट, बिकॉज छोटी छोटी चीज़ें चाहे भले ही वो छोटी उपलब्धि हो, लेकिन उसे हमें सपोर्ट करना चाहिए, उसको हमें आगे बढ़ाने के लिए उसके अंदर ये ऐसा जगह कि यस, आई एम बीइंग अप्रिशिएटेड बाय माय पेरेंट्स, by my father or mother, so I will do much more better. Or there should not be much of comparison. What happened in today's time, every time we just compare from self or from the neighbors children or from other children. No, please understand, your child is very different than all other child. So everyone have the different potential, so no comparison, only we must appreciate, we must encourage, and we must also love to say, yes, come on, you have done it and you can do much more better. फिर एक ऐसा पॉइंट बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट है जो कि नॉर्मली हम लोग उसको अवॉइड कर देते हैं, एक स्ट्रेस मैनेजमेंट बाय द पेरेंट। नाउ स्ट्रेस मैनेजमेंट क्या होता है कि जीवन में वी आर ऑल एक्सपीरियंस, द पेरेंट्स आर वेल एक्सपीरियंस अबाउट देयर लाइफ एंड दे हैव ऑलरेडी come across many hurdles or happiness or sorrowness. So they should prepare the mind of the child so that they should not be getting under stress for anything. They should be bold, they should be taking decision, they should be feeling confident, and that can come only through parents. And the last point, this is self-exemplary. The parents has to give this everything through self-example. If the parents are saying this has to be done like this, then before that, the parent has to see that they are really getting up early in the morning, going for exercise, or reading something, or dressing up properly, or in behavior at home, not quarreling for anything, not using subordinate language among themselves. So these small things will certainly help and create a mind that will be filled with all पॉजिटिवनेस. सो छोटी छोटी चीज़ें ये जो समझ में आएंगी तो बच्चे का दिमाग बहुत ही अच्छा काम करेगा. मैं यही कहूँगा, पेरेंट आर द ट्रू फाउंडेशन इन चाइल्ड सक्सेस. Parents, if you have this type of habit to play for your child is not going to look back. He will be good performer, and in future he must be doing very well. So again I say, parents are the true foundation in child success. Start and achieve. Please subscribe if you have not subscribed my channel. Thank you.